Okay, welcome back students. So in the previous class we started the topic of insertion in array, right? So in this class we have to be study the algorithm. Okay, insertion algorithm. Okay, insertion algorithm. Okay, you see, for that first you have to write down some statement. First, the appropriate position for item is to be determined. That is, if the appropriate position is I plus 1, then I less than is equal item less than is equal this I, okay, I plus 1, right? LST specifies maximum possible index in array and U specifies U mean upper bound, specifies index of last element in array. Right. First of all, we need to be write this statement. Why? Because we have to be mention the position, appropriate position. Why we have to be mention the appropriate position? Because there is, I saw you in the last class, there is many position. Suppose element will be coming in first place, or you can insert in last place, or you can insert in middle place, or if the array is full means it is overflow. There is many possibility. That's how we have to be give the appropriate position first of all. Then we have to be done the algorithm. Means all possibility will become, you see, there we have to be define a position is, suppose I plus 1 means item is greater than ARI and ARI plus 1. So, see, I show you first step. CTR means what? Counter. Counter is we take as L. Okay. If LST is equal to U, LST means maximum possible index, then print overflow. What I am saying, print overflow, right? Exit from program. Now third step, see, I tell you, first of all you write down If AR CTR greater than item, then position 1. Else repeat steps 5 and 6 until greater than is equal U. 5 number step is if AR CTR less than is equal item and item less than is equal AR CTR plus 1 means this condition. Then position will be CTR plus 1 and break. After writing, then you have to be include as parenthesis bracket. Six is CTR is equal CTR plus 1. If CTR is equal U, then position is equal U plus 1 means last at the last place. I will tell you all the possibility. Okay, first of all, some remaining also part will be left. There is no space here, that's why I first of all explain you this part. This is the printing statement you say, you just write serially from the beginning, okay, in the copy. First, the appropriate position for item is to be determined. I already told you, if the appropriate position is I plus 1, then suppose this is an array, okay. So this is array. Nine, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Suppose this is array. Suppose we take, okay, and we have to insert one element in here. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 means at the third index, and the element is suppose 14 because this is ascending order. Suppose 14 means you see this ARI means AR CTR less than the item, 13 is less than 14, and item is less than CTR plus 1 means 15. You see, AR CTR means suppose here AR2 is what? 13 means CTR is suppose 2. Okay, and 13 is less than 14 means the 14 is what? Item, and 14 is less than what? AR2 plus 1 means 3 means CTR plus 1. Understood what I am want to means AR is what? AR2 means suppose 2 is CTR means counter this 2, this is 13, and 13 less than what? Required item 14, and 14 less than AR3 means counter plus 1, 2 plus 1 3. Then your 14 will be coming in here, 15 will be coming in shifted, 17 shifted, 19 shifted means your position will be what? CTR plus 1 break, and counter will be incremented. This is one case only. This is for one case. In this case, a possible LST is equal U means maximum possible index U means upper bound. The array is full of element. What I am saying. Then I already told you the condition is where you can insert it. If the array is full, where you can insert it. If the array is full, already full, okay, if array is already full and you want to insert a new value means the condition is overflow, right? This is this elastic U means upper bound. Counter is we take it from the lower bound, okay? Lower bound means counter is initialized from this 0. After that, I first of all ending this algorithm. You just write from the beginning, okay? I erase this part for there is no enough space here. CTR is equal U means counter. Again we initialize the counter with U. Okay, first case is completed. We first initialize the counter with L lower bound. Now we initialize the counter with U upper bound. Because there is many possibility. We have to be so all possibilities. While CTR greater than or equal position, perform steps 10 through 11. Through 11. You just write in one line, okay? There is no space here, that's why. Then through 11. This is TH, okay? 10 through. This ending parenthesis is for this, okay? Don't be confused. All will be coming in else purpose. I told you again. I told you this. CTR minus 1. You see, again I am starting from this. You see, there is many possibility. First possibility will be gone with what? Overflow condition. Means if array is full, then how you can insert a new element? This leads to overflow, right? Second is, suppose from this, okay, from this case, suppose the array is suppose like that. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and you want to insert element 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13. You want to insert element 9. Means all the element is greater than this. Means in where it is coming. Obviously the number one position. Means all the element is greater than this. Means all will be shifted. And this is this condition. Otherwise, if you want to, if the element is inserted in the middle part, then this condition. Then this condition. And for this, control counter is equal u, then position will be u plus 1. Suppose you want to insert element in the last part, then this condition. Means for this element is inserted first, for this element inserted middle, for this element inserted in the last, and first one is the overflow. Means all possibility will become. In here, we have to be take CTR is equal u for what? You see, in descending array. Suppose descending array 17, 16, 15, 14. If you want to insert a element, suppose 13. Where 13 will be go? 13, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 13 will be go in this place. Sorry, in this place. Means no, 13 will be coming in like in the last. This will be for descending. Up to this is ascending. All possibility will be covered by algorithm. Okay? Means, suppose I show you one middle case purpose, show you once again. Suppose there is a array, you just thinking logically, okay? If you don't able to think logically, then you never be understood algorithm. I told you, suppose many hours, many class, for whatever I told you, what root level I told you, if you don't think able to think logically, then you cannot be able to, understood algorithm in whole life. I say whole life. If you don't able to think logically, because algorithm means it is a father of program. You can say like that. It's a father of program. This program is logical, but algorithm is very, very logical. All possibility will become. That's why I teach you, I help you, but you have to be think logically from your own mind, from your own, own action. None other than you cannot be understood. But I teach you up to one, I have always support you. See, in descending order, suppose 20, 18, 12, 10, 8. Suppose one element 14 we have to be inserted. In where 14 goes? Obviously 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 will be gone in here. After that your array is what? 20, 18, 14, 12, 10 and 8. Means your 12 is, first of all 2, now your 12 is 3 index, 10 is 3, 10 is 4, 8 is 4, 8 is 5, means your AR CTR, 12 is what? AR initially 2, now your 12 position is AR 2 plus 1, means AR CTR is going to AR CTR plus 1, you see, and 10 is 3, now 10 is index is 4, 8 is 4, now 8 index is 5, means 1 position will be incremented. Understood? CTR is equal to CTR minus 1, means you have to be C, decremented loop, this is decremented. Okay? In here ascending, it will be incremented. And in at the required position, item will be stored. In here, item will be stored, the position will be 2. Means you see, first of all coming the overflow condition. Second, at the first position, third is the middle, fourth one is for descending. Right? Okay. Counter will be decremented because in descending you see from this. Okay, you see from this. Or you can say, suppose one condition or one possible condition, suppose (20, 18, 16, 14). Suppose you insert an element 22, then where you go? 22 will directly go to the here top position, means your array is what? 22, 20, 18, all will be shifted. 22 will be coming because 22 is gathered in all the element, right, like that. Also many possible conditions, you have to think logically, right? Now you cannot be able to understand. How many hours I will teach you, but you cannot be understood if you don't think your own logic. Okay? That's why we are taking counter from u, means upper bound. Upper bound you can see, that's why it is be decremented. This is the insertion, and the program is not so important, that's why not teach you the program. If you understood this, you can easily understand the program. Program is already in the books. If you want to see that, you see, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me, don't be hesitant. And next is deletion. Before deletion, I will teach you the traversal part. Traversal is very easy, small. Before deletion, I will give you the traversal. After that, I will give you the deletion. Okay. In deletion, there is also some cases. You see, considering that all elements have to be printed, considering that all elements have to be printed, initialize the counter from lower bound, repeat steps 3 through 4, until counter get at an upper bound, right? Print ARC counter. This is very easy, very easy. Traversal is very easy. Means you have to be traversal, means you have to be print the element, just print the element. Counter is counter plus 1 and 5 is end. Or you can also one line in here, you can, if you were end of repeat. Means in traversal means what? Traversal means, suppose this is a array. Suppose this is a array. Also you can take particle array. Okay, we can take particle array, because in particle array I will teach you, that's why. Suppose 0, this is the index, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, this is very simple. Traversal is very simple. The element will be printed, means element will be, you have to print the element. Means if you considering loop, means what? For I is equal 0, I less than 5, I plus plus, and AR I. That's simple. Means printing the element. Means you have to traverse the element, you have to printing the element. That's a print AR CTR, means counter is for initialize for lower bound, means 0, and counter is counter plus 1, means you have to be incremented. Up to greater than u, means up to 4. When greater than u means when 5 means it will be ending the loop, because 5 is not possible. Greater than u means is equal u. Means greater than u means not is equal to, greater than u means less than is equal u. You can say like that. Means up to when greater than u means the loop will be ended. Repeat steps means this is the loop condition. Up to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the element will be printed, and the counter means the index will be incremented one by one, and end of repeat end. Means there is some operation, insertion, deletion, traversal, searching will be done, insertion will be done, traversal done, deletion and sorting will be left, that will be coming in the next. And sorting is very important. There is many sorting algorithm, and in last year one sorting algorithm come in final written algorithm of selection sort. That is the type of sorting: selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort. I will teach you. And in next class we done the deletion part. Okay, and deletion is also some condition. If you delete from the topmost, or delete from the left, or delete from the middle part, like insertion. But traversal is very easy. Okay, means directly print the element. Directly print means directly you can throw the element. If your element throw, suppose up to this, means your u is up. Suppose this is the array, suppose last one is blank, means directly print the element 11, 12, 13, 14, because upper one 4 is in there, element is blank, means directly print the element. Okay, this is directly print the element, just you can keep in mind. Okay, so insertion and traversal is done, and in this also one program is in the book, you can study by yourself, and if you can any doubt you can ask me. Program is not so important. Okay, that's why I don't give you. Program is in the book. I just, if you understood the algorithm, you can easily understood the program, right? So it is enough for this session. In next class we done the algorithm of deletion in array, right? Thank you.